The ALPENBIKE capsule is built from virtually indestructible rotomolded polyethylene. The Hokalite 1200 lumens 230 degrees wide beam headlamp LED features high bright COB and an LED light source. The side of the motion sensor headlamp is upgraded to 2 XPE LEDs and has 6 light modes, including red light and warm light mode. The sneaker sole protector allows you to wear your kicks worry-free by protecting them from wear and tear. The AirPoint Zero is a foldable Bluetooth full-size computer mouse. It is only 4.5 mm thin and it only weighs 40 grams, making it extremely portable. The origami concept enables its strong triangular structure to make the AirPoint Zero sturdy. The solid shield is a unique, lightweight, compact rescue tool to dig you out of any hole. Its strong steel teeth dig into the ground, providing support and friction for the wheel. Bow Wow Barrier is a scratch-resistant pet barrier that keeps your pets from dashing out the door. First base ground screws are your best choice. To install a foundation for your construction without the use of concrete. First base supplies ground screws in 6 different diameters. The larger the diameter, the greater the stability and the higher the load-bearing capacity will be. The airbag vest is a piece of clothing that can save lives as it instantly inflates when a shock occurs. It is convenient for that elderly and bicycle riders, as it protects the person from accidental falls. Smart brooms have a built-in vacuum, so that you don't need a dustpan anymore. Instead of buying a dedicated snow shovel with wheels, the CLEARPLOW can turn any hand truck into a snow pusher. 2 different sizes exist, a 24-inch and a 36-inch wide. It can be easily attached by tightening its hex bolts using the handles. The plow has a special cutting edge that makes it slide smoothly across almost any type of surface: pavement, concrete, wood decks. This method is a lot easier on your back than a regular shovel. There's no lifting and no throwing the snow, just a simple flick. Strategizing how you want to clear the snow in advance will always help. The German company BAST-ING has developed a personal protection to prevent accidents. The Vincent shield is a metal armor that protects the back and head from falling branches from the tree canopy. Orion is a folding windscreen sunshade that self-deploys with the push of a button. It easily fits inside your car's cup holders and protects UV rays. Diamond Grid is a tough and sustainable material used for surface stabilization and erosion control system. Before applying this material, the ground is prone to erosion, tire ruts, and mud after a lot of rain. Putting at risk foot or vehicular traffic. After installing Diamond Grid, a permeable layer is added that eliminates mud, erosion, and runoff for a safer, tougher, and more durable surface. Diamond Grid is made of 100% recycled polypropylene, with up to 96% permeability. Its modular tile design allows the constructions to pave any road of any shape and size. The OWL Open Window for Life car is an escape tool that can break windows and cut seatbelts in an emergency. OWL has a built-in recessed blade that slices through jammed seatbelts instantly. Vendetta from Ungoverned is an electric-tracked skateboard. Designed for the off-roading adventure seeker. Instead of off-roading wheels, Vendetta is equipped with forward and rear tracks. That can maneuver on top of obstacles. Vendetta is operated with a handheld wireless remote control, with an electric enclosure rating of IP67. The normal desk is a portable standing desk that folds and unfolds in under 10 seconds. You can have it ready in no time, no assembly is needed. It collapses into a 16-inch laptop-size item as thin as 2 books, weighing under 3.5 kg. Nomad Desk is highly adjustable, featuring any position. From sitting on the ground up to standing on your feet. Get up to 15 different positions. Satuo Pro is the world's smartest window cleaner. Double rotating wiping, combined with the built-in pressurized design of the fuselage. Imitates THEJUNGLEBADGER pressurized friction of human hands and quickly removes dirty oil. Which is cleaner and faster than manual wiping. Designed with Coanda effect air ducts to easily collect dust and dirty water by just airflow. The Penlar cleaning tool offers a versatile solution to cleaning your accessories with a 5-in-1 tool. The ZipBolt worktop connector kit transforms a worktop installation into a one-handed operation thanks to its zip clip with flexible wings. Control AX is a compact handheld ultrasonic cutter. Capable of oscillating its blade at 40,000 vibrations a second. Suitable for cutting a wide variety of materials, including plastics. And featuring 5 types of blades and 3 power modes. Ultrasonic cutting technology is used as automobile manufacturing and injection factories.